Yes.
Hello, 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 hello. Sean Brady. Coming up with a little bioscience. Interesting. All right. I have some pictures for you from the world-renowned international nature photographer, Marian Brickner. I know it because it says her name on the picture. Ready? Pollinator or not a pollinator? Pollinator or not a pollinator? I'll let you look up what a pollinator is. Pollinator or not a pollinator? There's one. Number two. Pollinator or not a pollinator?
I don't know what I am, but I could be a pollinator.
Wait, is this upside down? Pollinator or not a pollinator? Now it's upside down. Pollinator or not a pollinator? I don't know. Pollinator or not a pollinator? What about this one? Pollinator? 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 Wait, is it upside down? Yes. Not a pollinator. There's two more. Pollinator or not a pollinator? Uno más. No, dos más. Pollinator or not a pollinator? I know, it looks like the same creature, but it's a different picture. All right, so if you want to find out the answers, September 14th at Weldon Springs, you have this person, Marian Brickner. Say hi, Marian.
Hi, guys.
She will be there at Weldon Spring for a guided tour to find out about pollinators.
Or not. Bring your camera
Bring your camera
or your cell phone.
and your cell phone and your kids, and it'll be a fun time for pollinator or not a pollinator. Thanks for watching.